What happens when dreams come true? Well, what happens is that all of a sudden, all of the ideas, all of the passion, all of the intuitions, all of the will that you just dedicated to a project turns into life. And this is the case for Lugana Spumante. Because this appellation in the southern shores of the Italy's largest lake, which is Lake Garda, this incredible Eden, right? Like this is a place where you've got olive groves, you've got lemon trees, you've got, of course, the vine, and these Roman villas along the lake, okay? These beautiful Roman fortresses just right on the lake. You just go visit Peschiera del Garda, you go visit Sirmione, and which is where these wines are made. So it's just like a place between Lombardia, the province of Brescia, and Verona, Veneto. Lugana is made of what the winemakers there, the producers, love to call it Turbiana variety, which is known for having an incredible combination of minerality, citrus fruit, and creaminess with longevity. So as of 1975, they were able, if they wanted, they were able to produce a sparkling Lugana. The interesting thing, my God, that this nose is really intense, is whether you like Turbiana or not. And you gotta like Turbiana, the variety of Lugana DOC, because it is a fruit-driven, like lemons and tangerines, and sometimes some the peel, like orange peel in it, a little bit of basil, a little bit of herbs, and a gunflint concentration, even some gunpowder, which is what I love about Lugana, and aging potential. Now, about the bubbly, in this case, you've got a lot of that gunflint, a lot of the bread crusty pasticcerie nose, together with this cheddar, like Amalfi lemons, the aroma of when you just pick a lemon off the plant. That's what I'm getting right now. Some anise, so a little bit of spiciness. On the palate, it's all about the citrus fruit. You see how I am struggling to talk because I'm having a lot of acidity, a lot of juiciness, a lot of grapefruit flavors, and refreshing acidity. I'm just going for another chew of fruit over here. So this wine is all about the concentration of great refreshing citrus power and creaminess at once. Now, imagine you are on a beautiful boat on the Lake Garda, you're having some sashimi, even some lake fish, and some nuts on the side, a little bit of cheese, some dry cheese, and some frittura misto and that. I'm looking at my friends behind the camera. They are smiling because we are all hungry from some frittura mista and Lake Garda sparkling wine, the Lugana DOC sparkling. Salute a tutti. And for more tips, tricks and love, subscribe our channel, follow our social media, and remember to drink like a true Italiano. Salute.